Hey everybody, Matt from the Usherwood Outdoor YouTube channel. Today we are in an extreme heat warning. It is currently 40 degrees and I think it's going up to 45 degrees today. But we are going to do some campfire cooking. We're going to cook pigs in a bun and it's going to be a good time, so come along. I need to find myself a hot dog stick and not get poison ivy because there is so much poison ivy in this area. So while the fire burns and gets like some good coals, I gotta whittle a stick. Simple. It probably could be thinner, but it's kind of a pain in the butt with the axe. So the fire's nearly ready. A little bit more coals would be good. All right, so I got some leftover hot dogs from the other night. Just done the classic bread in a bag mix. So I'm gonna put it on. Grab a hot dog here, and then just let the stick come out somewhere on the hot dog. Oh, it's splitting. I think I'm just gonna wrap it. Looks awful, but let's see what happens. I was planning to camp tonight, but I don't think you can get me in a tent above 40 degrees. Like, that would be brutal. I could do like 30 something, but like extreme heat, 40 plus, like, give me the cold, give me rain, but I ain't doing the crazy heat. So this is how it's going so far. Here we go. Look at that. A little bit longer, I think. It's pretty good. Really easy to make. Having a thinner stick would be better. Time for another one. This ain't staying on. Alright, we're improvising here. My stick keeps splitting them, so I'm gonna do something else. So my stick method keeps failing me because my stick is too thick and my hands are covered in bread now, so I don't really feel like going through the forest to get more. So I'm gonna try cooking them in this. It's just like a tin foil thing you get from the dollar store. I'm gonna try to make a loaf of bread in this. So the pigs in a bun work on a stick. You just need a thinner stick. So I'm just going to roll it up, make a big mess. So I don't know how long to cook it for. I'm just going to guess, like maybe 5 minutes? It's definitely really close to the flame, so it means it's gonna be hot. Look at that steam. Needs to go in a bit longer. So I think I need to keep it off the coals now and let the top cook. Let that cook for a bit. Hopefully that works. Let's see what it's like now. So what you need to do is not have it so directly on the coals as I had it, because it cooked the bottom too fast. So it's a bit doughy, but let's see how it tastes. Such a different taste compared to it on a stick. Yeah, so if I was to do that again, definitely don't have it so close to the flames, or have a cast iron Dutch oven. A Dutch oven would be perfect for this. Do it in a Dutch oven. That's what I would recommend. Because it cooks, in this, it cooks the bottom too quick. And then, so it doesn't allow the center to cook fully. So yeah, there's definitely some doughy pieces, but it was good. All right. Time for dessert. So this dessert, I'm gonna do, what am I doing? Chocolate chip cookies. I'm gonna cook them in this in a pot of water. So I don't have eggs, and I did some Googling about eggs, and apparently it's like the binding thing, or it helps it keep it moist. So I'm gonna load it with butter as the supplement, and we're gonna see what happens. I don't know anything about baking. Already I think I've messed up. Well, I'm committed, so let's see what happens here. Sure? I thought you'd put water in it. Just some butter here. This is what it looks like. So while I wait for that to cook, hopefully, some fish have been jumping, so I'm going to do some fishing. So I believe it's done. The timer went off, so it's been around 20 minutes. I think it's done. I need to poke it. I gotta poke it. So I think it needs longer. That looks better. Just a chocolatey mess. That's good. So that took about, it actually took close to 30 minutes, surprisingly. Keep getting bit by red ants. So I didn't catch anything, but it was nice to just cast the line out and just enjoy the moment. It's so nice out right now. It's so hot though. Luckily I'm in the shade right now, so it's not too bad, but I was just up by my car and it's in the sun and it's just like, just roasting. Like it's 40 degrees out. I'm happy to sleep in AC tonight. Well, there you have it. Pigs in a bun, fresh bread, wrap it around a hot dog, put it on a stick and it works. Or you can put it in an oven pan thing that you get from the dollar store, and that works as well. Definitely some things to work out and learn, but hopefully you learn from my mistakes. Give it a try, let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in the next one. Please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.